See Karen, they are sexy girl. Up and running. Give them a 360. See there. See Karen there.
So much man want me?
You tell them. Yeah. 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 Right.
Backchat family. Today, Shawn confronts Banishment from Miss Ellis' yard. Tap subscribe and egg we watch it play out. Now make we see what happened. Shawn confronts Banishment from Miss Ellis' yard.
Cause mad people them there. You understand me? And she said to me, said three of them asleep on the bed. And something and me said, that not right. And me asked her, so, hold on, because me said to her, say, where for your bed there where you did have? She said the bed where she used to sleep on down there is the bed where Karen them did have. So me say, Miss Ellis never give a bed. Him say him no want nothing from that woman because that woman they are wicked and the woman are this and the woman have make money off of Shawn and Karen off of social media and she can't make no money off of she and she not agree upon that. That's why Miss Ellis put her out and all of that. And she had give me line out.
So Upper Karen she really asleep?
Eh?
So Upper Karen she really asleep?
Yes.
Yeah, over for we off.
Yeah.
And me can't
on the bed with the two of them? Do man asleep on the bed?
Yeah, we can't get my privacy.
Yeah, Shawn, me know say that's your problem. But me never know say the woman moving with you know. So which part are baby father there? Cause I get a girl, I know say the baby father live right across from them.
Me know everything. Me remember say Chama, a whole heap of things me know and me no come on live can say it. A whole heap me know and me no come on live can say it. You get me I say? See them here in front, me not go back at them. Ask them every chip me make up them, me give them money. And me no give one, me no give one, I no give one. And me could have video it, and me could have do this, and me could have do that, and me could have this. All I want me do for them, Chama, I don't video it. Kind of everything you give people for video. Me I take up a pair of shoes and give you, and me go video it. No, me bigger than that, me past that.
Right.
Where do you need to
see? But the part when now, Miss Ellis was called feminine and say me no go back up there.
I see you though. I will see you though. I like where the rest of what you did though. I try help them, improve them life. You actually give them an opportunity for broaden their right. You put them in your movie, your this, your that, your vlog. So I want to know, what is the issue with you going up there and assisting them?
Me feel like say, I girl go tell Miss Ellis a bag of things. And me have everything where she sent to my phone in my phone. And she talking wickedest thing about Miss Ellis. But the part where you tell me say, Shawn mad and the girl mad and whatever. And she mad money whatever you do. That she way?
So Shawn, how you feel asleep with two women in your bed?
Me feel embarrassed, sir.
Embarrassed.
Where's you feel embarrassed?
I don't know
What you said to me, Shawn? No, so hold on, so get a girl.
Eh?
You don't see her baby father up there. Remember him supposed to over the house by himself, you know, so why she not go over her baby father house?
like she could go over.
Brother, I'm going to tell you something. See, she type of person she is, that type problem.
Before you go anywhere, I want to know so you're part of the family. Tap subscribe, make it official. This is a wee thing. Me, you, and every Backchat lover out there.
That is the problem.
Why? She said she'll go touch there, sir, until she gets somewhere else.
So she, no, but Karen, but you and your husband have one bed. How she expect to come and sleep with you and your husband and she pregnant?
A good people them. Good people them. Mad people wouldn't allow that. A good people them.
We not allow that. We not allow it.
Desmond Mackenzie wouldn't allow that. And them allow it.
Right.
Now make we see what happened. Karen battles health crisis and pregnancy rumors.
Anything no can get.
Anything.
What they saying?
Send
Kitty.
Kitty.
And what again they saying when me in there?
They're not selling
You
real
like
yet.
them
They're not
selling
selling
them and
real
hide
yet.
them. Where you hiding the package, Shawn? What they saying?
They're not selling nothing can
So,
It's
look for the
Kitty.
two nice
Cat.
couple them. Look
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Send me the hey, Lala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Lala.
Yes, man. Yes. Yeah, man.
Don't leave Shawn go anywhere. If you left Shawn, you know, me a fine woman get Shawn. So me tell her for now. What you say?
You know, me not gonna take this no more, no.
Me say if you left Shawn, me a find one woman get Shawn. So make up your mind. Oh,
Like
but
my
Karen,
My motor filter.
You lick Shawn, and last time that was last.
No, last week, Tuesday.
Yeah, you box down Shawn and squeeze in neck. Nearly kill him. Me here? You're too bad. I in trouble, Karen.
So you can't go take up close, so. I
So
saw she cussed me.
and increase the neck.
Yeah, and box me and tell me about
So what you
but
rush
my
you
fault.
want?
No, she rushed me.
So you don't run?
And talk about me run one way she go do me.
You know, say no for take up marriage.
So when you say that, you're not bother run, stand up.
Yeah, I talk about you have to hear what your wife say.
Oh, so you're not bother run?
No, I'm not bother run.
Because if you run and you come back, you still get beaten.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said I just learn me sense.
So when you squeeze the neck, you couldn't take off your hand.
No, I couldn't do that.
So you just make
Make me tell you, this apology business I go just cause more argument.
Woman come there, so they enough to blame me.
I tell you this, I learned this and I tell you so tonight.
Yeah.
As you as a woman, do not quick to help a next woman by moving her in your place.
I make people a laugh after me and
See
say,
an idea? You go out and she in. You have good people where you can help. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, good people you can help and if
Show, man.
Keep our things them inside till
the house where then you should have stay there, but you're supposed to learn something now, don't you?
Yeah.
Kevin ain't taking me in this argument right now. You understand me? We wouldn't have this problem right now. So next time you don't do it.
No, what are you saying?
You understand?
Me stop.
Yeah, next time you don't do this.
cause people have me all on the road that call
And
me
if you
about.
say something to me bad about Miss Ellis, may I ask you to apologize to her right
Yo.
now. If you say something bad about her,
I say nothing bad you.
but still apologize. Still apologize.
Nothing
Me know,
bad
but
she-
still apologize, can you might say?
If they're not saying you can't make them apologize,
No, but-
some of them do say.
All right.
Sure thing.
Yeah, but me I'm gonna say if she say anything bad, apologize. Me not tell her say, you get me I say, Shawn?
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you feel like you do something wrong or say something wrong, apologize to her.
Me never send
And me
nothing
say this, if
bad.
I said something wrong about you tonight, I apologize for it. You
Yeah.
can't too big
All
to
I know, me
apologize.
now walk my mouth.
I don't like me ask her nothing, and she has spit it out. And through Miss Ellis can use her, like on use you and whatever, that's why in carry her back and whatever. And him not depend what Miss Ellis depend.
Me have to say thanks to every last one of uno we watching. Big up uno. But me check the numbers and most of uno no subscribe yet. That little tap of the button, that's how you really support the Backchat family. No cause you are sent.
You understand me? And I don't like me ask her nothing.
You know, trying.
Now, make we see what happened. Shawn threatens self-harm over Karen.
Tell me enough to go back up there. And me always a call to Karen and say, Karen, have manners to Miss Ellis, can listen to me. If you get to somebody take you off a road and put you up on whatever, regardless what sometimes you have to just swallow your spit and ease yourself.
Right.
Remember say Karen goes go live now. Now me and you are the rest I will not hear Karen say I left you know.
Right.
We know you ain't say more left you know. When Shawn called me and say, Karen, this I have to pack up and sit. And when me hear Shawn say time out, say, get a girl, if Karen left me, no know me, I do me, I go kill myself. Me take it serious now. Cause sometimes when things happen, we start take things serious. I suck up, me start can on the phone with them.
To the house where the baby father.
Karen, accept that.
If you beat her already, why you still a talk about the man
Be man
breathing?
pregnant and asleep on floor up there, no brother. That Karen
You put
said.
me and ask you what me to the house where the baby father in the right cross from them.
Remember say, man, even for a two deal, you know.
She and your father don't deal.
Like them a say, my beat her.
Probably I know that the man they breeding. That man look like he have sense to breed, man.
Chat, triple chat.
Why you back boy stop follow me up? Derek, stop follow me up, my dog. I don't love money, no dog.
Better I see you.
Where Derek, stop follow me.
I better I follow you.
Ciao.
Explain, Jamie.
Let me tell you something. Everybody with that woman they take up, everybody where that woman they take up continue to live in a deplorable condition.
So how much days a week Shawn working, Karen?
I want him to work on full
Put in
day.
the massive repair money. Miss Ellis Black. I'll be surprised.
Nobody life no improve.
See, man, hold on. What? Me have to hop on the phone with the man at counseling, man. See, man, me not tell a lie. He said Karen left him, go kill himself, because I don't know if he do it
That mean say because me lonely, me not nobody to stay with me. That mean say. Me can't
Shawn, listen, me know why you think along that line, yeah? More you stay positive, because as a man of God, you can't think about that, because if you do that, you never can repent. You understand what I say? So me know why you think along that line, see?
Yeah.
If Karen leave you, more you just focus on your God, focus on your church, and God work. Nobody think about it, do that.
Now make we see what happened. Shawn flashes cash and begs Stream for money.
That is the problem, cause
So Karen, how you allow her for come back, well, come live in our house? How you allow her for come live in our house?
Look here. It was them in a fight, right?
Eh?
It was them in a fight.
Yeah.
Said to me, say, beg me to keep the clothes in fear because
Right.
she want me to follow her gas station. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
She go down there, go tell her bag of lie for the man, say, oh, the man thump on her mouth, thump the little baby.
Yeah.
For what reason?
Eh.
If you don't say no, we want the man, love the man.
Right.
Love him alone, we don't want him. And him no go box or put our face and that, no kind of thing.
So are you tell her so she can come live with you now?
Why? Don't tell Shawn say, but I'm back at home, me I go.
Yeah, come and Portmore.
Yeah, I'm coming to Portmore.
If you come and Portmore, me and you can link up and you can probably stay by me for a little while.
Yeah.
I don't know about Shawn. Where Shawn I go stay?
No,
Where Shawn?
hey, take one, you have to take it to them now.
No, sir.
Tell him, man.
You can't manage it to them. Get her, girl. Me only can take Karen.
No, you have to take it away.
No, Shawn, me not think me can manage it because that's what means. The three we are going to put on one bed.
It's a married, it's a young go. It's a...
Me go down and clinic, did that here. I went to go for
Shawn, a one bedroom me have, so the three we can't sleep on the one bed.
pressure. And then some pressure gone up to one.
Shawn, you get to me and say, Shawn?
Hold on, Chama, hold on, listen to this.
The pressure got here.
Yeah.
So,
You ready?
Yeah, me I hear you.
But Chama,
Yeah.
but
15. So get a girl, here what going now. Me
Yeah.
make a move. Me I connect on up look more, is it?
alright.
Alright, cool.
Now make we see what happened. Your verdict. Family, after everything on a just see, what would you do? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for this one, my dear. If you want to see how this drama really end, tap subscribe so it comes straight to you. And the next episode, they right here so. Love and blessings. Me see you in the next one.